Hello, my name is Jerry Cruz. I'm the Director of Key Partnerships at SBLI, and I'm here to talk to you today on behalf of one of our key partners, Redbird Advisors. My friends at Redbird Advisors asked me in particular to give a special acknowledgement to the members of San Florida because they feel that the processes and products I'm going to talk to you about today will be very beneficial to you. I want to talk to you about why you should consider writing SBLI life insurance. Well, SBLI has been around for 109 years, and all that time we've provided low-cost, high-quality protection for families and businesses. We have very strong financials, and we have a competitive product offering, including term and whole life. We're available everywhere in the U.S. except for New York and Montana, and we have new technologies, enhanced underwriting, and new business processes that help you greatly expedite your term life insurance business, including our drop ticket process that allows you to place an order for life insurance in as little as 5 minutes, and our accelerated underwriting that helps you get policies issued in as few as 48 hours. We have competitive term premiums, particularly over $500,000 of face amount, but also very affordable for $500,000 or less. And if your clients are aged 18 to 60, there will be no paramed visit. And that applies to all risk classes, whether it's our best class, preferred plus, or one of our table rated classes. This is unique in the industry. Nobody else does this. We have competitive compensation. Our policies get issued faster with drop ticket and accelerated underwriting. And because they do, you get paid faster. We have a broad range of level term durations, including 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30-year options, favorable conversion terms, low policy fees, and combination coverage that allows you to put a level term rider on a whole life policy. Speaking of whole life, we have 6 product options, which means you have 6 different ways to pay the product. We have 8 different riders that you can put on our whole life products, which makes it very flexible. And it's a very competitive product suite and one of the few whole life product offerings in the brokerage marketplace today. You can also submit our whole life cases through our Zip app drop ticket. However, they are not eligible for accelerated underwriting. Here's a little bit about our Zip app drop ticket. You as the agent simply select the product and the rate class you believe the client is and provide a quote. Then you prepare the client for the interview and let them know what's going to happen during their telephone interview. And then you submit the Zip app ticket. It goes to our call center, who will contact the client and do part 1 and part 2 over the telephone and get voice signature. And they upload those applications to us every half hour. And once we get it, we start underwriting. Here are a couple screenshots of our Zip app drop ticket. This is the first screen that you'll see where you're inputting information to generate a quote. Once you put that in, you hit the quote button and you see your results. Now, if you're not sure of the risk class that you've quoted, you can actually go into this rate analyzer here and click that, and that will prompt you to answer some questions that will help you fine-tune your quote. Once you're comfortable with the risk class that you've selected, you hit the application button. Brings you to the next screen where you're putting in core information on the client, including name, social security number, address, phone number, and best time to call. I'm going to fast forward to the last screen. There are a few more screens, but I wanted to just show you this last screen, which serves as your agent signature. This is all you're going to sign in this process. And what you're doing here is attesting to these 4 statements. Hit submit, and that's your agent signature. And once you hit submit, you'll get an acknowledgement that your order has been submitted, and the order will go to our call center, who will reach out to the client and do the application over the phone. Now, it's going to go 1 or 2 ways depending on the face amount. As I said before, cases under $500,000 are going to be accelerated underwriting. Over $500,000 is just regular business for us. So that includes a paramed and the traditional way of underwriting. Again, for $500,000 or less, if the client is age 18 to 60, they're going to get accelerated underwriting. That's the only way to go, and that means that there's not going to be a paramed visit. All they have to do is be 18 to 60 and asking for $500,000 or less a level term, and there will be no paramed visit. So the process is very simple, and clients will not be redirected at any time to traditional underwritten process with a paramed exam. A lot of companies, like I said before, if they offer the top 3 classes, and if you fall out of those top 3 classes, you're expected to go back and get examined. We never do that at SBLI. Our underwriting decisions are made quicker, and the cycle time has been greatly expedited. Here are a few marketing pieces that you can use to generate interest with your clients and prospects. They're available on www.sblibrokers.com. The piece on the left talks about the old way of getting life insurance and the new way. Of course, the new way is with no paramed. There's a postcard that you can mail to clients and prospects to generate interest in our products and processes. And finally, there's a guide that helps you prepare your client for their underwriting telemed call, so they know what to expect when they're talking to the interviewer. Finally, to recap, SBLI is a 109-year-old company, very highly rated. We have competitive products and rates available in all states except New York and Montana. We have solid, reasonable underwriting that you can count on, and a great zip app drop ticket process that again allows you to submit a life insurance order in as few as 5 minutes, and our accelerated underwriting process. It applies one more time for a level term of $500,000 or less, ages 18 to 60, and it means no paramed visit for those parameters. We have competitive compensation, and you don't get a haircut for using either of our processes, drop ticket or accelerated underwriting. And because our policies get issued faster with those processes, you get paid faster. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions at all, reach out to my friends at Redbird Advisors at 866-547-8780. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.